Way back to go get a drink.
A coffee, not a drink. A coffee. I need a coffee.
That's not fair. Look at me. I'm strong.
Okay, next.
No.
Next one?
No.
Come on, one
No,
more.
no, it's my swing. I said in my last vlog that this is a little kid swing, but I don't think so. Welcome back to our channel, another vlog on this channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. This channel called Layla's Home Cooking, but recently we have just started to do vlogging and all of you guys love the vlog. So we are so new vlogging. Here is John.
Please like and subscribe. I don't know what I'm doing. We don't know what we're doing, but it is what it is.
Okay, so I did not dress up to go beach or lakeside. Here in Canada, there is no beach close to us. We have to drive like very long hours to see one beach. So we have lake, and I did not dress up to go to the lake. So
It's only 15 degrees, so the water is cold.
Yeah, and it's early morning, like 11 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday. But since the weather is beautiful, we say let's go out on our only day off that we have.
Only day off.
Yeah, because we work 6 days a week, and
6 days a week.
So we just left the house to drive to see where to go, and we end up to be at the lake. And here is the beautiful weather, and that's a lake.
That's not the weather, that's the view.
Yeah, but look at the sunny weather. It's beautiful. Look at that. I'm sitting in the car. I don't know if I'm gonna go outside. Lake call?
Lake Ontario?
No. Is this Lake Ontario?
Yeah.
Okay, we are at the place called Grimsby, Ontario, and this is Murray. What?
Murray Lake Park. Murray Lake Park. I'm recording. I'm gonna drop the phone.
I thought that was a rat. You know that? Yeah, I didn't know it's squirrel because Mauritius does not have that. That's a big rat.
This is the view of like the roads leading to the lakefront. Beautiful little town here of Grimsby. Okay, we'll be back in a flash. Hey guys, we are now entering a different part of the waterfront. This is downtown called Grimsby by the lake. Beautiful scenery, beautiful views, brand new townhouse condos. That guy running across the street, I don't know what he's doing. Without looking, but that's okay.
Here is John. So we finally got a spot and we came out and let's take some fresh lakeside air.
Okay, next one?
No.
Come on,
No.
Keep going, honey.
No.
Come on, let's go.
No.
Come on, honey.
Stop it. So we are in the middle of the rock and I have a high heel. It's slipper, but I don't want to go on the rock. I'm just like a chicken, scary cat. And now we are on the way back to go get a drink.
A coffee, not a drink. A coffee. I need a coffee.
When I say a drink, is like maybe a latte.
My nickname is Coffee.
Yeah, his nickname is Coffee. I put his nickname Coffee. So maybe he need a coffee. I think I'm gonna go get.
She's so short, man.
Yeah, I know. I have a high heel.
You need a high ladder.
I need a Starbucks. So I need a Starbucks and John need a coffee from Tim Horton. He does not like a Starbucks because it's too strong for him. So I'm in the lineup right now. The drive-through lineup. The lineup is going so slow.
Inside is even worse.
Yeah, he just went inside and
Use the washroom.
to use the washroom. And it is what? Long lineup?
It's even worse inside.
Okay, so
Everybody's hooked on Starbucks.
I rather stay here then.
I like
I'm just
Timmy's.
gonna wait.
Timmy's is way better.
Okay,
than
so
Starbucks.
after here we're gonna go Tim Horton. I got my drink, strawberry coconut. John is waiting on the lineup for his coffee, but I can enjoy mine and he's just gonna watch me because he doesn't like Starbucks, right?
Not at all.
We came to Canadian Tire store and John is getting some stuff to finish the backyard. He thinks the backyard is not done, but I think it's almost done. Just a little bit stuff left. So he got some stuff and now he's putting it back because I said maybe I don't like. Got this thing here for border. I don't know what is this. Like it's kind of separation, the grass and the, I don't know. So I said no. So we're gonna go get something else. Here he is picking his stuff for the backyard. He just wanna finish it.
Yeah, get it over with.
I know. We're so excited when the weather change gets beautiful.
Relax in the summertime, not work.
So what did you get?
I got the 100-foot expandable hose.
Hose.
Hose, not horse.
Hose.
This is not a horse. It's a hose.
Hose.
No?
So we are ready to get some flowers. It's about time. So like I said last time, for tomato, I want to get trees. So this is Roma tomato. I'm getting this. John picks this one. He says this one is brand new, fresh.
You don't want
We'll
stuff.
get. Okay, so we are going to pick one of these, and John is going to pick. So this is hydrangea. How do you say that? Hydrangea. Hydrangea, lasting beauty, 2-gallon pot.
This one? Is it good?
Oh yes, that's beautiful. So what about this one?
Let me pick
Is
another
it,
one.
yeah, we'll get
you wanna
one
get
of these
one of each
pink
color?
one of the pink one.
Okay, let's do it.
You have more on top.
You want to get the one? Yeah, right here. Bang.
All right. We have a buggy with flour, and I have my buggy, which
Air
I
fryer.
got an air fryer. Oh yeah, I'm excited. I never used one so far. Am I not supposed to push 2 buggies?
Yeah?
That's not fair. Look at me. I'm strong. So we already went home. I changed. Now I'm feeling a little bit cold. John said he need more flowers.
Yeah, we didn't buy enough.
So we have to come back now to the nursery. There is so much to choose and I don't know which one. There is so many variety. So many. What do you guys like? Like, what's your favorites, your preference? What is this? So this is going to be like a big bush. Burgundy Queen French hybrid lilac. So, nothing? No.
What do you think for that one?
So, what's up? What are you doing?
Barbecuing.
For the first time,
First
right?
time in the season.
In the season.
Mother's Day Sunday. That's how we do it.
And that's some beef that I have marinated this morning. And then we also have some chicken. Gonna go on after. And let me show you guys my swing. I said in my last vlog that this is a little kid swing, but I don't think so.
That's an adult swing.
It's not, yeah, it's an adult swing. Handmade, homemade, and we designed it ourselves.